Today we're going to be making a super easy low-carb cabbage soup. We're going to be starting with 5 pounds of hamburger, a large head of cabbage, and 2 jars of chunky salsa. Now, depending on how spicy you want your soup, we're going to use either mild or medium or hot salsa. I think I have a mild and a medium that I'm going to be putting in my soup today. So first thing we're going to do is take our hamburger and brown it in the pot. We're not going to be dirtying several pots. We're just going to be using one pot. So here we go. We've drained the meat. Now all we have to do is cut up our cabbage next, and we'll be right back.
All right, I want you to snap your fingers at some point here.
Now we're going to season our soup with some salsa. This is the easiest and fastest way to season this soup. And I'm going to use a mild and a chunky medium salsa for mine. We got our salsa in here, and now we just need to let this whole thing cook down for about 3 hours, and it'll be perfect. That simple, that easy. Okay, now the soup is finished and ready to be vacuum sealed into bags for lunches for the rest of the month. This pot will make about 15 bags. So if you want to do more of these videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you again later. Thank you so much.